So yesterday I was able to get a release 13, and today my wife was able to get a release 14. Well, actually it was yesterday, but we're doing this the next day. So hey, 2 packs out of 2 rounds, can't beat that, I guess. So here we go. And this is a very crude recording, I know, no sound. Yesterday's video was a Curry and a Luka. One of the best packs we've gotten. Must be a lot of activity. Slow going. Alright, first up. Golden State assist, Steph Curry. Alright, let's see here. 76-35, not bad. Another Steph. Cannot beat that. Alright, number 2. Hey, an Embiid. High serial number, but pretty good player. I think this car is probably going, or this moment's going for about $5 or so, if I remember correctly. Not too bad. And our last one. Eric Bledsoe, 10,000. All right, not too bad. We got a Curry out of it. Can't complain. All right, thank you guys.